The basics of private label rights. What you need to know. If you want to find out a bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry from Product Creation Formula, and here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. The basics of private label rights. What you need to know. If you're looking for ways to make money online, you're not alone. Every day, there are heaps of people just like you who are searching for ways to make money online. While you might assume that this competition would have a negative side effect on you being able to compete and make money online, it surprisingly doesn't. There are millions of people looking for ways to make money online. And you can tap into this huge market. Some people think that the make money online niche is oversaturated, but that couldn't be further from the truth. But a word of warning. Be aware there are scammers out there. You do need to be careful. Each year, thousands of people are scammed out of their hard-earned money by fraudsters. Don't let yourself be one of them. If you're looking to make money online in a legitimate way, then keep watching, because I have a way you can do this in practically any niche. I'd suggest that if you're looking to start an online business, then consider creating your own digital course that you can sell online. This model can be fully automated, which means you don't have to ship products around the world because it's downloadable. You'll need to research the type of niche you want to get into, but it's worth the time to do this. There's no point in going into a niche that people are not going to purchase from. When doing niche research, it's best to follow the money, not the traffic. It makes absolutely no sense to go for a niche where you get tons of traffic, but people do not place ads on Google for it. If you do a search on Google and you find that there is no ads being displayed on that page, then that is a niche you want to stay away from. It's helpful if you're passionate about a particular topic when you're looking for your niche. This will help you remain passionate about the topic and will encourage you to do the work that's required of you to make the money you've always wanted. If marketers are not prepared to place an ad on Google for a particular niche, then you'll find that people just don't spend money on courses for that topic. As previously mentioned, there are lots of different money-making opportunities that can be found online. One of those opportunities involves editing and selling digital private label right products. Private label right products in this case are digital products that you have the license to change, and you can add your name as the author and call it your own. These products are most commonly ebooks, content articles, apps, templates, as well as graphics and MP3 recordings. These days there are hundreds of places you can go to find various PLR products. Some of these sites create the product themselves or hire professional writers to create the product for them. Other sites simply buy PLR products from other PLR vendors. The ones that create PLR products will create a product that is already popular on the market. This makes sure that people will want to buy it, edit it, and sell it as their own. This is an excellent model, especially for people just starting out on making money online. Purchasing a PLR product and changing it to make it unique to you is not only easy, but it's also a very lucrative business model. PLR is not just for newbies either. I personally know some big name marketers that use PLR on a regular basis. They always put their own unique spin on the product and make it their own. This helps them to create something unique and brings in value to their clients. Don't think that this is cheating, because it isn't. It's just a way to help the marketer to come up with ideas when it comes to content creation. To find private label right products for your niche, all you need to do is Google your niche and type PLR at the end of it. Some of the things you'll need to change on the product are things like 1. Change the title of the product. 2. Change the subtitles in each section of the chapter. 3. Change the graphics. 4. Change the table of contents. 5. Change the entire content itself. I always recommend that you change between 90 to 100% of the content to make it unique to you. You may think to yourself, that is a lot of work, and in the past, that would have been correct. But not with today's AI technology. With software like 𝗤𝗂𝗏𝗹𝗹, you can literally change an entire book in only a few minutes. If you want to change the cover of your ebook, then I would highly recommend you go to somewhere like Canva. Canva is an online graphic design site that allows you to be able to create stunning book covers designs for your ebooks. Using Canva templates, you can create a book cover in only a matter of minutes. So, by using 𝗤𝗂𝗏𝗹 and Canva, you can edit an entire ebook in less than an hour. Once you've edited the entire ebook, you can begin to repurpose that content to make it something completely unique and new. For example, you could create a PowerPoint slide and record that as part of your course. This is a pretty cool way of repurposing the PLR content or ebook. You can read the ebook while recording your PowerPoint slide. You can break these up into modules or turn them into a video course or even a YouTube video. Another thing that you can do to repurpose the content is to use some of the content for your social media marketing. This can be used for your Instagram posts or even your Facebook or Twitter posts. It can be used as an article for your blog. It can even be used as a script for your YouTube videos. PLR, or private label rights for short, are incredibly versatile and can be used for a number of reasons. So do consider using private label rights to create your very own product. Remember, these days it's much easier to change the product completely and make it unique to you. So why not take advantage of this awesome opportunity and begin editing, rebranding, and repurposing PLR products today? Okay guys. Now, if you got some benefit out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, I want to let you know that over here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. If you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.